Good morning everyone. So how's everybody today? So today we're going to learn about how to submit your PLC notes, assuming of course you are asked to use the form that's on your school site. So the first thing you want to do is actually go to your school site. So hover over courses, and in this case I'm using a school site that's prototype, but look for your course that's either like Fusat Elementary, and then click on it. So once you click on it, you arrive at your course here, and in this course you will have some front, and this is just a sample front, and some buttons. And in the buttons you're going to look for the ones that says PLC meetings. So make sure of course you're aware if your principal has changed what that button looks like, or I've given you a different link, but look for PLC meetings. And once you get to PLC meetings, you will then scroll down to your grade level. So here's a grade level is just for pre-K to 5. You may have something a little bit more complicated, but as you scroll down some more, there will be some instructions for PC use and instructions for iPad use. So click on those depending on what you need. So this is the one for PC use, obviously. And when we click on, let's say, preschool, and I want to submit my notes, you will notice that you have an option. You will either share your topics, vision, and work done by your PLC each week, and you want to reply to this discussion. So this is actually just a discussion forum. You click on the reply button here, and then you'll just start typing. And the requirements are, you need to tell us who's present and role, and their role in the meeting, your PLC meeting norms, your start time and end time, and the summary of collaborative work and discussions. Unfortunately, you can't enter your information in here because that's not how it's designed. But if you highlight and then copy it, so I'm going to right click to copy, and then go down here in the box and paste it. Now what you wind up having after you expand it a little bit, you guys see how I expanded it here? Expand. Now all of this can be entered, and so you would indicate who's present and their role. So maybe I have Eric Franson, and his role is the leader. Maybe I am Armin, and of course I am the note taker. And then you list your PLC norms and just type that in there as well. Your start time, maybe it's a little 1:10 p.m. and then we'll end at maybe 3 p.m. And then a summary of your collaborative work and discussions, so just put a little bullet. Now if you want to use bullets, there's bullet buttons right here, and you just tap on this, and of course you can just list all your bullet items. When you are finished, you will scroll down, and then you'll see where it says post reply, and you post reply. And what you have is your entry right here, and then whenever someone wants to come in, like your principal or other group members in your school site that want to check out what actually occurred at the meeting, they can see here, they can reply to this directly. And for future weeks, what you will do is just reply up here, don't reply down here. For future weeks and minutes, you just do up here, that way it stacks all of them in a row. And again, I can paste that in there again, that same form, and I can have multiple forms stacked upon each other. And the purpose of this would be so that it becomes easy for you guys to read what your notes are. And you'll notice of course the newest one went on the bottom and the old one stays on top. And it just becomes a progression of what you guys are doing in your notes. So if you have any questions on how to enter your PLC notes, my extension is 7842. My name is Armin Amoranto. You guys have a great day.